Japan's Kansai Tourism Bureau organized a workshop in New Delhi.
We want to know more about Kansai region for Indian people, so we held this workshop.
The number is not so big, but steadily increasing. We are so expecting much more traveler just going to Japan.
From last winter schedule, we use the same aircraft, but we expand the seat number around 115% versus past the first half fiscal years.
You see all these places opening up slowly. The Indian market is also maturing, and now they're asking for more destinations. So I think it's a very good opportunity that Kansai coming up with good places.
Budget airline IndiGo launches bi-weekly non-stop connectivity between Vijayawada and Singapore.
It's more fun in the Philippines.
Atlas Travels Online expands exponentially.
We've grown 300% over last year, 2017, and this year we did phenomenally well. We also started with the hotel segment. We're expecting to double down numbers again in the year 2019 with the hotel segment. Now the plan is to get into more products and start distributing those products. We're looking at visas as an online solution also coming up. In the next 2 months, we'll be launching that product as well.
Emirates Airlines organised the third edition of its Emirates Cricket Trade Tournament 2018 for the travel trade.
This event that we have been having now for the past 3 years has just showed that how close we can get to our travel fraternity. And I think with the third event going so successful, we are looking at the fourth event, fifth event, and this is certainly going to be something that we're going to do every year.